Well, let's now put some paving bricks over this, what will be an outdoor entertaining area. So let's draw one paving brick in first. Remember, we've got access to some rather large 600 by 600 paving bricks. So what we're doing here is just drawing a rectangle representing that 600mm paver. I'll zoom in on it and notice that I've got snap on and I've got a grid of 600 to help me. I'll take snap off, and F9 is the quickest and easiest way to do that. I'm on a layer called paving, so if I now draw a rectangle and I'll zoom in a little, I can just place that rectangle inside my 600 to represent that there'll always be a small zone, won't there, around a paving brick. We don't want it to look, dear oh dear, didn't quite go in, did it? Let me just zoom in so we can get the spacing about right. That looks better. And we want to be able to make that a paving brick, and it'll look slightly irregular, which of course paving will. So there's a rectangle in there. Now we're going to hatch it. So we draw, hatch. Our hatch pattern is solid. All we need to do is pick entities, because we can pick that inner one and OK it. So now we have our hatching. I think we can safely remove, remove that line there and that line there and erase those. What we now want to do is to copy this single paving brick up. So we can select it by clicking on the edge, right click and copy. It asks us for a base point. Let's put snap back on and we'll snap to that corner, and we can go up 600, up 600, up 600, up 600. I'll roll out a bit. Do I need to go up another 600? Yes, I do. And I'll just scroll up and right click to finish. That's done our row of paving bricks. If we now select, I've still got snap on, that take snap off with F9, that helps me, and now put snap back on again, and what we're going to do is right click and copy, and we can copy from there and go across and across and across and across and across, and we're done. So we have a layer of paving bricks on a paving layer. The slight differences in spacing between them, although when you zoom in they look pretty good, give us a somewhat authentic feel to it. So we step out of the doors here from the house onto the decking area. We still need to build some sort of step arrangement in here. We're down on the flat area. The blue line represents the tank that's under these pavers, and it's on its own layer. So what we'd like to do now is hide that tank, and you do that by layers and layer order. And what we want the tank is on a layer called irrigation, and it's above the paving layer. So if we get hold of the irrigation and drag it under, the circle that represents the irrigation disappears and goes under. So now we can close that box. So the little design is taking shape. We've more to do, but we're learning a little bit about GardenCAD.